Of 143 countries in the world, 90% has one law that prevents equality between women and men. And in only 20 countries in the world do women and men have the same right to own land. Women now are the world's third largest emerging market in the world. And we make up to 70% of the decisions within the households. We have recognized that 7 billion people, it's illogical to ignore half of the force of the world. Who in its mind will leave this amount of human capital out of the solutions?